Jim from JB Solutions, here to give you a quick review of how quick and easy it is to install an HVAC IV system on a client's heating and cooling system. So standing back after removing the cover panel, I'm showing that we have our IV mounted to the back side of a Carrier Infinity air handler. We inject on this particular application at this point, which is on the back side of the air handler, with our stainless steel nozzle, which dumps the biocide into the back side of the drain pan, and then it works its way through the front and out the trap. We have a field installed injection vinyl tube clipped to the air handler. Over on the side, we've got our control panel receiving power here from the Carrier system. Our Y signal is here. These two wires we run overhead and down underneath our IV, wire netting here onto our solenoid valve on the left, which is our dispensing point. When there's a call for cooling, over here on the zone panel, our system receives an input, and based on frequency of calls and number of calls per hour, we inject a biocide into the drain pan of the system, as I'll show you here with a test. There's the biocide being injected into the pan, keeping the system clean.